If you own a recreation vehicle RV, a ladder is a must-have for you. You can climb to the top of the vehicle with the ladder. You can easily get to hard-to-reach places, and it is going to be extremely handy in emergency situations. Since RVs have limited space, you have to choose an RV ladder correctly to accommodate it easily to get any job done perfectly. There are many products available to choose from best RV ladders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best RV ladders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Feet Aluminum Telescoping RV Ladder. Feet Aluminum Telescoping RV Ladder is one of the best RV ladders you can purchase for heavy-duty usage. Since it is a telescopic ladder, you can use the same for versatile applications. The RV ladder has premium-grade aluminum alloy construction. Besides, there is an oxidized surface to prevent rusting and corrosion. You can easily adjust the height of the ladder, and you can lock the height so that there is no sliding when you put your weight. Besides, there is not going to be any finger-pinching issue. The ladder comes with a carrying handle, as well as storage straps for user convenience. The maximum height achievable is 12.5 feet, while the width is 19 inches. Therefore, the steps are quite wide, and the non-slip caps ensure safety. You can fold the ladder to 2.8 feet, and it supports a maximum height of 300 pounds. Number 2. Alprolite Telescoping RV Ladder. The ladder comes with a thick aluminum tube, and to be precise, the thickness is 1.33 millimeters, which is higher than most RV ladders. On top of that, the overlap length of the aluminum tube is 17 centimeters, which is also more than any other ladder. Naturally, the sturdiness, as well as the durability of the ladder, is extremely high. The ladder is protected from rusting, corrosion, as well as oxidation. There are certain plastic parts so that you can work with the ladder even at low temperatures. The pedal has a non-slip structure, and hence, it is safer to use. There is also a tool waste bag available with the ladder, which could be useful when you work at high altitudes. The ladder has multi-lock construction for further safety while expanding and contracting. Number 3. Varducam Telescoping RV Ladder. Varducam is yet another reputed ladder construction company. The RV ladders from the brand are particularly popular as they offer great value for money. Varducam Telescoping RV Ladder is a great RV ladder, as all parameters are perfectly balanced. The brand has paid immense attention to safety, so that all users can feel free to use the ladder. Along with the usual non-slip rubber feet and pedal, you get to see a stabilizer bar on the ladder. The company claims the ladder to be safer than any other ladder in its category. The ladder has a high-grade aluminum alloy frame that can last for years without any deterioration. You can extend the ladder up to 12.5 feet while it retracts to 2.4 feet. Naturally, it is easy to store and move around. The maximum load capacity is 330 pounds. You can use the ladder for all purposes by setting the required height. Number 4. Bauocean Telescoping RV Ladder. Bauocean has a wide range of RV ladders, and they design their ladders with industrial-grade material for heavy-duty usage. Bauocean Telescoping RV Ladder is a premium ladder that can achieve a maximum height of 14.5 feet. The ladder has aluminum and rubber construction. The perfect blending of the materials ensures durability as well as stability. The width is decent for wider steps and easy climbing. You can increase the ladder by 1 foot for versatile applications. There are 2 hooks available for secure operation. The ladder has locking latches as well as rubber feet for a strong base. It has followed safety standards during its design. You can fold the ladder into 3 feet. It can sustain 330 pounds of weight. The multi-purpose ladder is easily retractable and extendable with a clicking sound for safety. Number 5. Hanvol Telescoping Folding RV Attic Ladder. Hanvol is a reputed brand in the ladder segment, and they have a wide category of ladders that you can use for various purposes. If you are looking for a telescopic ladder that you can use from your vehicle as well as for regular usage, Hanvol Telescoping Folding RV Attic Ladder is a great choice. The ladder has premium quality aluminum alloy material construction. Therefore, it is light in weight as well as sturdy in structure. Thanks to its folding design, you can easily carry it around. The maximum height of the ladder is 12.5 feet, which are perfect for all purposes. The ladder supports 330 pounds of weight, and hence, it is suitable for overweight people as well. There are 4 rubber cushions at the feet for an anti-skid structure. Moreover, you get a reinforced bar at the bottom of the ladder that adds to stability and safety. Unlike other telescoping ladders, you won't face finger-pinching issues while expanding or folding the ladder, thanks to its height locks. The ladder can be folded to 3.5 feet and stored conveniently anywhere. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.